A fighter jet crash lands, but veers uncontrollably on the runway, skidding violently. As the aircraft spirals into debris, the pilot ejects milliseconds before impact, a heart-stopping escape highlighting both the fragility of aviation technology and the razor-thin margin between survival and disaster.
Oh, he just crashed. Oh. Oh.
A small private plane abruptly plummets from the sky, crashing into a residential backyard without warning. The impact triggers a deafening explosion, flames engulfing the wreckage instantly. Witnesses stare in horror as smoke billows, a chilling testament to how aviation emergencies can shatter the calm of ordinary life in seconds. A passenger jet executes a harrowing emergency landing, skidding off the runway with sparks flying. Flames erupt from the fuselage, thick black smoke choking the air. Firefighters battle the inferno, finally dousing the blaze's split-second race against time, underscoring both the fragility of flight and the heroic efforts to avert catastrophe. A fighter jet plummets from the sky, slamming into the ground in a deafening explosion. The aircraft disintegrates into a fireball, scattering debris, a catastrophic reminder of aviation's split-second dangers. A passenger jet with malfunctioning landing gear struggles through a perilous landing, bursting into flames upon touchdown. Sparks fly as the fuselage skids violently across the tarmac. Firefighters swarm the scene, battling the blaze, a heart-stopping ordeal that underscores aviation's relentless dance between human skill and unforeseen catastrophe.
Me muero, me muero. Me muero.
A small passenger plane plummets mid-flight in a horrific, uncontrolled descent before crashing into a quiet town. The aircraft disintegrates into a fiery debris field, scattering wreckage across streets. Chaos and terror erupt as flames engulf homes, a devastating reminder of aviation's brutal unpredictability, turning ordinary lives to ashes in moments.
Puta que pariu, mano. Cuidado de explodir, meu, cuidado. Não tem o que fazer.
A passenger jet crashed into the sea during a desperate water landing bid. The aircraft splits apart on impact, swallowed by waves, a haunting glimpse of aviation's battle against unforgiving nature. A small propeller plane, crippled mid-flight, makes a desperate emergency landing onto a busy highway. Skidding uncontrollably, it slams into cars, scattering debris and sparks. Terrified drivers flee as chaos erupts, a visceral reminder of how aviation emergencies can violently invade the ordinary world in mere seconds.
Holy fuck. Oh my god.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, whoever was in that truck.
Holy fuck. Fuck.
A private jet overshoots the runway during landing, careening into a perimeter wall. The impact shatters the aircraft into fragments, sending debris flying as flames erupt. Miraculously, no fatalities are reported, yet the wreckage stands as a chilling testament to aviation's unforgiving risks and the razor-thin line between controlled flight and catastrophic failure. Emergency alarms blare as the jet plummets. Passengers scream, brace a split-second race between terror and impact. A passenger jet lands on an icy runway but skids uncontrollably, spinning into a fiery inferno. Flames engulf the fuselage as terrified passengers flee, a chaotic miracle of survival underscoring aviation's razor-thin margin between disaster and escape on frozen tarmac.
Tower, you're seeing this airplane just crash into 3.
Don't take your video. Take that phone away.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Oh my fucking god. Yo, I was just on this fucking plane. Oh my god. Yo, I was just on this fucking plane. Holy fuck.
An alleged passenger jet plunges into a river, split-second chaos. Sinking wreckage, floating debris blur reality, accident or illusion? A fighter jet performing an aerobatic stunt suddenly plummets from the sky. The pilot ejects in a last-second parachute escape as the aircraft crashes into a wooded area. Billowing black smoke engulfs the wreckage, a jaw-dropping spectacle of aviation's split-second brink between human skill and catastrophe.
That shit just crashed. Holy fuck.
You see the plane still? Oh!
Oh my god! Oh.
Oh! Oh! We looked at it.
A propeller stunt plane spirals mid-roll, crashing in a fiery explosion. Split-second aviation spectacle turns tragedy.